Next up quickly, we have the next word to be heat. Heat. Now just as our beats, let's transcribe heat before our option comes in. Now our heat is transcribed as this. Heat. Just as our beat, we have heat. Looking for the E sound. E sound. Our options are option A, B, C, and D. Okay? If you haven't followed my certificate classes, this will be a walkover for you. Now we have option A to be partied, wriggle, key, and routine. Partied, wriggle, key, and routine. Now our partied is transcribed as this. Partied. Partied. We have a wriggle. Just as our legal, we have wriggle. We have our key. Key. I'll have a routine. 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 Now what is my answer? Option A, because when I pronounce the word partied, partied, not parted, partied, partied, kids, partied, eat. There's a similarity in these vowels. Now if you were confused on your answer, it is very easy. Eliminate the preceding sounds and pronounce what is wanted. Example, I have the word kids and I am confused on what sound is found here. I'll do what? Eliminate my kids and I have it. Now we having it in my head and I have my partied. This is my partied, okay? And then I'll eliminate what? My preceding letters. Now what? It. And that's my answer. I'll get what? A verified answer at once. Moving on quickly, we have the next given word to be sit. Okay, and we have our options. Wow. Now if you were following my certificate classes, this will be a very easy question for you here. Now this given word sit is transcribed as sit. I have our guild, click, marine, and sardine. Guild, click, marine, and sardine. Now our guild is transcribed as this. Guild. We have our click to be click. We have our marine to be marine. And have our sardine to be sardine. Okay? So now what is our answer? Option A. Quickly, the next given word, we have lick as the next given word, and we have a list of options. We have police, woman, machine, and sick. Lick, police, woman, machine, and sick. Now my lick is transcribed as this. Lick. We have our police to be police. We have our woman to be this woman. We have our machine to be this machine. We have our sick to be this sick. So what is our answer? Definitely our answer is option C, because only machine amongst my options have the same sound as found in lick. Next up quickly, we have the next given word to be rich. Rich. I have a list of options, okay? Now we have margarine, theme, animals, and police. Margarine, theme, animals, and police. Now rich, the given word is transcribed as these, each. Rich, have been looking for these, if, okay? And our options, now let's ascend to the from option D, okay? Now we have our police to be this, police. We have our animals to be this. Okay, we have our theme to be theme. And we have a margarine to be this. Now what is my answer? Definitely my answer is option A, margarine. Margarine, rich, eat, in, rich, in. Okay, quickly, we have the next question to be sick again. Wow, so down takes interest in sick. Okay, it will do you super good if you are following this class attentively, and I hope you get from it. Okay, we have our sick and have a list of options: marine, tribunal, knowledge and vital. Marine, tribunal, knowledge and vital. Now my sick is transcribed as, again, we have our sick to be these. Okay, we have a marine, tribunal, knowledge and vital. Now my marine is transcribed as marine. Okay, we have the next to be tribunal. Tribunal. Okay, we have next to be knowledge. Knowledge. Or we have our vital. Now what is our answer? From the look of our transcription, we have knowledge to be our answer. Now when I pronounce the word sick and then I eliminate my s, I have what? Ik. And when I have my knowledge and I eliminate my null, I have what? Ich. Similarity in these sounds, do not forget, so letters do not matter. And then you see sometimes they try to bring similar letters to confuse you. Looking at our given word sick, we have I underlined, right? We have I underlined, and in a marine we can find I in a marine, we can find I in a tribunal, or we can find I in a vital. But that's not our answer. Once again, I'll remind you, this is oral English. We'll deal with what we hear and not what we see. It is better if you kill your letters and it's to only your sounds. They'll help you. Next up, we have the given word to be lip. I have a list of options. Okay, we have confide, post-it, seen and sight. Lip, confide, post-it, seen and sight. Okay, our lip is transcribed as this, lip, having e as a given sound. Okay, and we have word confide, post-it, seen and sight. And confide is transcribed as confide. We have a post-it, post-it. We have a seen. We have our sight. Okay, so what is our answer? Our answer is definitely option B, because when I pronounce the word lip, ip, and I pronounce the word post-it, it, there's similarity in the two sounds. Okay, next up quickly, we have the 17th question to be this. Okay, now we have a given phonetic symbol E. Which amongst my options has the same sound as a given phonetic symbol? We have option A to be expert, extort, exile, and exercise. Wow. Looking at it, we have 4 E's. We have 2 I's. What that would be your answer if you were guessing? That's why it is not so perfect to guess. Rather, get to answer, transcribe it, and make sure it is verified. Now let's transcribe our options to get verified answer, because only transcription can help us in this matter here. Now our expert to be expert. We have our extort to be extort. Okay, we have our exile. We have our exercise. Okay, now this is it. What then is our answer? By look of things, we can boldly say our answer is what? Extort. Now look at it. When I put, okay, the given sound is what? E, the short E sound. And I'll say extort. I have my E sound right here. Isn't it easy? Next question, we have a given word to, okay. We have the given phonic symbol to be E, the short E sound, and we have a list of options: police, marine, pocket, and libel. Police, marine, pocket, and libel. Now, the police is transcribed as this. Police. We have a marine to be marine. We have a pocket to be pocket. I will have our libel to be libel. Pocket. Okay. Looking at it now, it is easier to guess answers and maybe probably be correct if the given or the question is actually a given word. But in questions where it is a given phonetic symbol, what helps you in that situation is transcription and not your words. Here, now looking at what happened on the board, we can proudly say our answer is option C because it has been verified. Pocket, each. There's a similarity in the sounds. Moving on quickly to the next question, we have a given word to be think, and we have a list of options, okay? Now, in transcribing our think, we have this to be our think. Think. I'm looking for what the E sound. And we have our options to be that, thin, those, and these. That, thin, those, and these. Now, in transcribing these to get our verified answers, we have these. We have our dark to be dark. We have our thin. We have our those, O's, and we have our these. So what's the answer? Option what? Option B, because when I pronounce the word thin, think, in. Similarity in the sounds. Moving on to the last question, we have in the year 2022, question 52. Well, that's recently. Jamb had asked this unique question. We have a given word to be granite. I have a list of options. Now, in this question, your pronunciation matters a lot. Learn to pronounce words correctly. Practice the words you've learned every day and make sure you are adapt to it. Constant practice leads toward perfection. Do not forget. Now, we have our options to be minute, might, features, and zealers. Do not forget the given word is granite, minute, might, features, and zealers. So what is our answer? Now, to help confirm the answer you have in your mind already, let's transcribe these words together, listening to the sounds we hear only. Okay? Now the given word to be granite. Let's transcribe granite together. Granite. Granite for the E sound. The E sound. Our options to be minute, might, features, and zealers. So what is our answer? Do not forget, this is for a diphthong I and not the E sound. The diphthong I. Do not get confused. Having clarified that, what is our answer? Minute. Now, when I pronounce the word granite, it, and it. There's more similarities in these two words depending on what the vowel. Now, this brings us to the end of this class. See you in our next class.